Hi everyone, Timotheus here. Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the exciting world of digital marketing. You know, that dream online business you've been nurturing, the one with the potential for passive income and ultimate freedom? Well, guess what? Digital marketing is the secret weapon that can turn that dream into reality. But let's be honest, the digital world can feel like a wild jungle sometimes. With so many channels vying for your audience attention, how do you cut through the noise and establish your brand as the go-to solution? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we'll be equipping you with the knowledge to navigate this jungle and choose the essential channels to propel your online business to success. Remember the days when simple website, all you need was a simple website. Those days are long gone. Digital marketing is a living, breathing entity, constantly evolving to keep pace with the ever-shifting consumer behavior and technological advancements. Mobile marketing has exploded. Content is king, and social media is a powerhouse for brand building. The bottom line, staying informed and adapting your digital marketing strategy is crucial for staying ahead of the curve. That's why we'll be exploring the essential channels you need to have in your digital marketing arsenal. Think of your digital marketing strategy as a toolbox. Each channel represents a different tool, and the key is knowing which one to use for the job at hand. Let's dive into the core channels. Your website is your digital storefront, your brand story platform, and the hub for lead generation. A well-designed, user-friendly website is essential. Imagine your ideal customer searching for a solution you offer. SEO helps your website rank high in search results, bringing those customers right to your doorstep. Informative and engaging content is the currency of trust. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or infographics, content marketing allows you to establish yourself as an expert and converts leads into loyal customers. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are powerful tools for connecting with your target audience, building brand awareness, and fostering relationships. Building an email list allows you to nurture leads, build relationships, and promote your offerings directly. Targeted email campaigns help keep your brand top of mind and convert subscribers into paying customers. Sometimes you need a little extra boost. Paid advertising platforms like Google Ads allow you to target specific demographics and interests, putting your brand in front of a highly relevant audience. Generate revenue by promoting products and services you love and earn commissions on sales. Partnering with relevant influencers can expose your brand to a wider audience and leverage their credibility. Now, with this arsenal at your disposal, how do you choose the right ones? The key lies in tailoring your strategy to your specific goals and target audience. I'll do another video about this, so subscribe and get updated when I publish it. The world of digital marketing is vast and exciting. By understanding the core channels, staying informed about emerging trends, and tailoring your strategy, you can conquer the digital jungle and propel your online business to success. Ready to get started? We'll be covering actionable tips in the video description below, so be sure to check those out. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and hit the notification button so you never miss an upload. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.